Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Skillful Stenography English Shorthand Dictation. You are requested to please like and subscribe for clear sound more English Shorthand Dictations. English Shorthand Dictation from Pitman New Course Shorthand Book. Exercise number 118. Start. Number 1. We have credited your account with the 1,000 yards of felt that you do not need and have sent back to us. Full stop. Number 2. You will not be able to select a better territory in which to locate your factory. Full stop. Number 3. We wrote to the bank and we received word that as they were not be able to collect the second note, they had not tried to collect the third. Full stop. Number 4. He told us that he would send us a remittance, but that he could not undertake to pay the whole debt while trade was so uncertain. Full stop. Number 5. Thank you for your promptness in sending the 1,000 feet of copper wire. Full stop. We are enclosing our check which covers our outstanding indebtedness. Full stop. Number 6. The last shipment was short by 100 pounds, and our account should be credited for the amount of the shortage. Full stop. Number 7. Will you please try to find for me a report of the total imports and exports through the port of Vancouver during the last year. Full stop. Number 8. The belt illustrated on page 4 is very smart, and it is the sort of belt which would look well with a sports outfit. Full stop.